My name is Tyla Chanell. Let me just start by saying this, girl, because I ain't been on here. I got a habit of filming videos in the fall and in the spring, and I decided in my mind, look, I'm reading books now. I got this self-development, self-mastery thing. My inner peace is coming along very well. And I'm going to give y'all videos. Every Wednesday at 6 p.m. I'll be uploading a video. So make sure, if you ain't done so yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell in case you forget I'm up here every Wednesday. Because that can remind you, yes, that notification bell. Yeah, that right there. So I'm basically reviewing Fenty Beauty's Insta Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation and the Instant Pro Filter Rejoice Rejoice. I work for Rejoice. Instant Retouch Primer. I'm gonna do a video to make sure this shit work because, you know, this was $35. Okay guys, so as you all know, I went to Sephora and I wound it up spending $111 with tax, but I bought 3 new products. It's the Fenty Beauty. I wound up getting the primer. It is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and it retails for about $32. I got the foundation, which is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation in the color Warm 450. Like, the packaging is amazing. I kind of want to like put it on a bookshelf or something. I don't know. And then the real reason why I went there was because I saw a Nikki tutorial video with Rihanna's makeup artist Priscilla Ono, and she did her makeup and it looked amazing. I personally am obsessed with white highlighters. My ultimate favorite highlighter is from Bare Minerals, and it's basically a white highlighter. However, it doesn't make me look ashy or like weird, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's perfect on my chocolate skin. So I love highlighters that are white, and I had to get her highlighter How Many Carats because it was like, I just saw Priscilla doing Nikki's makeup using this, and although it's like night and day with me and Nikki tutorials, you know, skin color wise, I was like, I'm gonna give that a try because Rihanna let it be known that her products works on all skin tones. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna feed into the hype. I'm gonna try Rihanna makeup. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get it. Alright, so let's dig right into it. We're gonna start off with a clean face, of course. And I am going to read a couple things about the primer. So like I said, this is Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and it retails for about $32 at Sephora. I got it. It says it's supposed to be an oil-free primer that smooths away the looks of pores, which my skin is like hella oily. Like, my face is clean and it's shining like I got highlighter on. But it's supposed to give you a smooth, even skin tone and texture and absorb shine. So that's awesome because I need that. It also says it's light filling, and it has a blurring effect which melts into your skin. So I'm excited. Let's get to, I'm gonna tell y'all about if this product do all it say it do. So this is how it looks. It's like a glass bottle. I don't know if it's really glass, but I'm just gonna use my hands to apply it. I'm gonna pump some on my T-zone area and where my pores are enlarged. Oh, it feels like it dries really fast. Like, I don't know if next time I will pump any out first because I feel like it was starting to dry before I really got to work it in. Yeah, it feels super like, really putting out too much, but I like the way it feels. It makes me feel like, I might not have no pores. This might make the foundation go on absolutely flawless. It definitely feels like it instantly starts drying. It doesn't feel like it's not working anymore, but it just feels like I gotta work the product in really fast. Let's move on to the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna foundation. Like I said, I got the color 450 Warm. I was gonna go a shade darker, however the girl in there insisted that, you know, I didn't do any darker. But of course, as many of you already know, I do highlight like 3 shades lighter because like my skin is hella different colors. So anywho, I went with 450 Warm, and this is how the bottle looks. So this foundation is said to basically instantly give the skin an instant smooth, pore diffuse, shine free finish that easily builds medium to full coverage. This formula is oil free and it has a climate adaptive technology that resists sweat and humidity. Oh, because look y'all, I'm a sweater. Look, if you don't know anything about Tyla Chanell sweats. I sweat when it's cold outside. I sweat in the winter. Because the primer, you know, because that primer was like going crazy with the you know, I guess drying or whatever it was doing, I'm not gonna pump extra pumps into my skin. I'm kind of gonna start on one cheek and then do the other corner. So let's start on this cheek and pump. One pump. I'm gonna work that in on my nose. But I'm using the Real Techniques buffing brush. This is my favorite brush to use with foundation. So we're gonna buff this in. There's a net in here. I hate nets. In the summertime, do you all get like a crazy amount of nets in your house? Like, what the fuck? That's just, man, it ain't even no liquid in here. So I'm just working that foundation in on one side of my face because I do like so here we go. Not too shabby. Oh, the girl who I was in Sephora with, her name is Carrie. Hey Carrie girl. She helped me pick out my color and a bunch of other stuff. Hey Carrie girl, you did good with this color because I like it. So let me work in the other side. Back to the review. This is instantly drying as I suspected, which I love because this looks amazing actually, man. It's so matte. Like, it looks like I set it with powder and I haven't. This shit's crazy. Okay, Rihanna. So, this is what it looks like. I'm a little, you know, I'm okay. I'm okay. So, I'm going to highlight and contour using my products or whatever. And you know what I'm saying? When I beat this face and it's time for the highlighter, I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna go with this Fenty highlighter. And it's packaged like this. The Fenty highlighter retail for about, I'm not sure, I don't have a brand anymore. But I love it. I love all the glitter. Alright guys, so with the finished look, I am in love with this halo eye I got going on, and as well as the foundation. That Fenty foundation is everything, and I plan to definitely invest and put it in my kit for my clientele. I like this look. I love the foundation. Spend your coins, girl, if you haven't and experience this, especially if you have oily skin like me. But I give this a 10 out of 10. I love this duo. I don't know, I'm not sure how this is without powder or how this is using one or the other. No, but I really, you can get my coins because I love the way it has my skin breathing. I feel like my skin is breathable. I don't feel like I'm cakey. I don't feel like I'm wearing heavy duty, you know, full coverage foundation. It's so breathable, and I really appreciate that in the foundation because I have, you know, dark marks and scarring on my face that needs that coverage, and I feel like I shouldn't have to not be able to breathe. My skin, my face should not, it should breathe still. So A+ on every. This highlighter, girl, save your coins. If you got the coins, just go get it because I love this. Wet, you know what I'm saying? I like wet looking highlighters, and that did that for me. Okay. Here's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that I could give you as much content as I possibly can, and I look forward to uploading and being back to see you all next Wednesday. Keep it all love, keep it all hood, keep it all good, and I'll be back. Peace out.